In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon Prime. If you're thinking about ending your membership, I'll walk you through the exact clicks on Amazon's website so you can cancel with confidence and avoid surprises. Before we begin, a couple of quick reminders. You can cancel at any time, and your Prime benefits, like free delivery and Prime Video, will continue until the end of your current billing cycle. If you're on a free trial, make sure you cancel before the trial ends so you don't get charged. And double-check that you're signed in to the correct Amazon account, the one that actually has Prime attached to it. Now, open your web browser and head to Amazon.com. If you aren't already signed in, sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top right of the screen and hover over Account and Lists. In the menu that appears, click Your Prime Membership. This takes you to the membership dashboard where Amazon shows your plan details and benefits. On that page, look for the section labeled Manage Membership. Click the option that says Update, Cancel, and More. From there, choose End Membership. This is the start of the cancellation flow. Amazon will now guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Continue clicking through the prompts to proceed with canceling, and confirm your decision when asked. It's important to complete every confirmation screen. Amazon often presents multiple pages, sometimes with offers to switch plans or reminders of benefits, so keep selecting the option to end your membership until you reach the final confirmation. Don't stop at the first screen you see. Continue until the site clearly confirms that your membership will end. When you finish the process, you should see confirmation on the page indicating that your Prime membership is set to end and the date when your benefits will stop. Remember, you'll keep your Prime perks until that date, so nothing will change immediately unless you're at the very end of your cycle or trial. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're on Amazon.com in a web browser. This works on both a computer and a phone browser. If you share a device with someone else, verify you're using the right account before starting. And if the menu labels look a little different, look for the Prime or Membership area. The End Membership option will be in the same general place under Manage Membership. That's it. Follow these steps, complete every confirmation screen, and your Amazon Prime membership will be canceled successfully. You can always rejoin in the future if you change your mind.